Hello, everyone. I hope everyone is doing great, getting ready for the holidays. Today, I'm going to show you how you can actually very quickly get a birthday list for your database. I imported this list that has birth dates here on the right. There are about 1,672 records, so that's quite a few. So you have the date in your database. The first thing that you need to do is you're gonna have to add another field into the form, and you can hide this later, but let's make it an integer number, because what we're gonna do, and we're gonna call this birth date month, okay? We're gonna extract the month of the birth date and store it here so that we can then use it in a report criteria to pull the records that we want to display. So first step, you can use a basic field, an integer number, drag it into your form. So now we have that field available. So the next thing is we need to create a custom function. So I'm gonna create a new workflow here. Since we're just going to run this once, it really doesn't matter. But what I'll do, let's see, this is a workflow. So all I need to do then is just build a function. I'm gonna use this that it has a test. So what we want to do is we want to run through all the records in the database, right? And we're gonna say, so for each record in my form, and let's say where birthday month equals null, so if there is no value there, I want to update that record. So what do I want to update that record with? So you're going to call the record, which is the birthday month, and that has to be updated with the birth date, but then we're going to get the month out of that date. And this is the key function that you need to remember. So get month from any date record. You can do that by running this little script. So once you do that, if I execute this function, okay, what this means is that it's possible that we don't have a birthday record somewhere, so we're not allowed to run that. So in the criteria, my database has to have a null month, but also the birth date should not should not be null. This ensures that there is an actual value that we can get the month from. So now if we execute that, this should guarantee the proper run of the function executed successfully. So now that the function has been run and that we have a month extracted from the birth date, if I go to the database, let me see, I'm going to open this view. I'll show you all the new field, which was birthday month. Here it is. I'm gonna get rid of this other one, we don't need it. Okay, we didn't update it. I think I deleted before it saved. Okay, there it is. Now it's gonna show it. So here's the month. So now I've extracted the month. You see August 8th, June 6th, February 2, January 1st. So now that we have a month, then all we need to do is you can duplicate the database, the view, from this, you can just make a new copy of it. And then under your criteria, you're gonna go to the Open Reports properties, go to your filters, the first option here to organize your records. And then you're gonna use the birthday month has to equal Zoho current date get month. So it has to be the same month. The one in the database has to be the same month as the one for the current date that we're currently. So there it is. So now if I open this database, let's see. So I'm gonna get rid of this field and I'm gonna pull the other one, birthday month. Save. There it is. In my new list, you can see that I only show the records that have a 12-month birthday. So out of the 1,100 and something, only about 10% were born in December. And obviously, guess what? If you want to do next month birthday, you can also edit the application. Go to the report properties, duplicate this report, and we can call it next month, right? Next month. Can anyone guess what's this going to look like? We need to add one more month. So it's current date plus 1. So, and then get the month. Let me see if we can add the month and then get the month. We probably cannot do this here, but I'm gonna try. Well, first I'm gonna duplicate it. Hold on. Yeah, first duplicate your database so that no errors are created. So I'm gonna test this and see if it works. Add a month. Yep, okay, and then get the month. There it is. I think I got away with it. So let's see if we get next month with this. So you first add 1 month to the current date, and then you extract the month from that string of records. So in theory, this should give us January. There it is, January for next month's birthday. So there you have it, guys. This is a quick way of creating birthday list from your database as long as you have a birth date in your system. And just to recap, you need to have an integer number record so we can store the number of the month. And you can go one step further if you even want to do like today's birthday. You can already guess what the criteria would look like. I mean, you would need a second field to extract the date, And then in your reports, you're gonna have the double criteria for both the month and the date, but the process would be exactly the same. So I hope this video was very helpful. It includes a quick custom function to run through all the records in your database, extracting the month value of a date field in Zoho Creator in order to create a birthday list. So have a great evening, and let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Take care, guys.